Hello, good afternoon, everyone. And wind blows into my face. Wind is blowing into my face. Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Manipuri folk dance, classical folk dance from Northeast, and Bihu dance in Assam. Thank you, everyone, and hope you glimpse my video visual here, updating here. Thank you, everyone. It's a beautiful one. Live video updating here. Enjoy. Confident, charming wind is blowing into my face. And nevertheless, I'm Amit Singh Tangzam, live at WhatsApp, Facebook, FB, X, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Star Maker, Asmule, etc. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.